Janet, because you know I can't see my kitten. I'm going to show you him. He's just a baby. He's a boy. He's sleeping right now. See? Say hi, puppy. Say hi, Slancho. Starting to get bigger. She's this big. His head's right here, all the way to there. I think he's about a foot long. He tries to escape at night. I mean, like, he wants to go outside, but we don't let him. As you can see, little spots on his stomach. Wanna go back night-night? Hey, don't try to bite me, Dumbo. He's cute, huh? I'm gonna be posting videos about him because he, like, jumps in the air high. Oh, look at the video camera. And he's just so cute. And this is him. Going back to sleep now. And he loves to play a lot. He's very playful. He's not for sale. Not now, not ever. And he's right on my laptop. The peanut monster sticker. And bye. I'm about to go play with my little flying helicopter. See you later.